Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, the incredible benefits of incorporating almonds into your daily diet. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just looking for a tasty snack, almonds have something special for everyone. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our healthy living tips. Now let's get started. Let's take a closer look at why almonds are often referred to as a nutrient powerhouse. These little wonders are not just about satisfying your taste buds. They're also jam-packed with essential nutrients that your body craves for optimal health. Almonds are unique in that they contain a lot of vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E is essential for defending your cells against oxidative stress, which accelerates aging and a number of ailments. Rich in this vitamin, almonds support strong immune function, healthy skin, and healthy eyes. It's similar to providing your body with protection against life's daily rigors. But that's not all. Almonds are also an excellent source of magnesium, a mineral that frequently doesn't receive the credit it merits. Magnesium is essential for healthy bones, nerve transmission, and muscular contraction. By including almonds in your daily diet, you can make sure that you get the magnesium you need to support everything from your skeletal system to your morning workout. And let's not forget about the protein punch that almonds deliver. Almonds offer a boost of plant-based protein, even if they might not take the place of your primary protein sources. Almonds are a great option for anyone trying to maintain or gain muscle mass, since they include protein, which keeps you feeling full and content. Let's now discuss a subject that's on a lot of people's minds: weight control. Because of their distinctive nutritional makeup, almonds can significantly impact anyone trying to lose weight or keep it off. Let's see how these tiny nuts could serve as your covert tool in the bulge war. One common concern with nuts, including almonds, is their calorie density. Yes, almonds are calorie dense, but here's the catch. Studies have shown that the body doesn't absorb all of these calories. Thanks to their structure, some of the fats in almonds aren't fully digested, meaning you get fewer calories than you might expect. Plus, the combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber in almonds works together to create a feeling of fullness, helping to curb your appetite and prevent overeating. Snacking is often seen as a villain in the world of weight management, but not all snacks are made equal. Almonds are a wise and filling snack option. Between meals, almond snacks make you less likely to grab for calorie-dense, less nutritious foods. It's about making deliberate decisions that support your weight loss objectives while also providing your body with nourishment. Believe it or not, almonds may give your metabolism a little boost. The body has to work a little harder to digest almonds because of their protein, good fats, and other nutrients. This phenomenon, called the thermic effect of food, has the potential to marginally raise caloric expenditure. Even though it's not a miracle fix, every little bit counts, particularly when trying to manage your weight. Weight management isn't just about cutting calories, it's also about sustaining energy levels. Almonds provide a steady release of energy, preventing the energy crashes that often accompany sugary snacks. The sustained energy from almonds can support your physical activity and keep you feeling energized throughout the day, making it easier to stick to your fitness routine. So whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or simply maintain a healthy weight, almonds can be your ally. From their ability to create a sense of fullness to the potential boost they give to your metabolism, almonds offer more than just a tasty snack. A word of caution: while almonds offer a multitude of health benefits, they may not be suitable for everyone. If you have a specific health condition or are taking medication, consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes. Let's spice things up with some fun and fascinating facts about almonds. Did you know that almonds are often referred to as nuts, but they're technically the seeds of the drupe fruit of the almond tree? So, botanically speaking, almonds are seeds, not true nuts. In some cultures, almonds are considered a symbol of good luck and fertility. For example, in Greek weddings, it's a tradition to serve sugared almonds to wish the newlyweds happiness, health, wealth, fertility, and a long life. Almonds have made appearances in art and literature throughout history. Vincent van Gogh famously painted a still life titled Almond Blossoms. And in literature, almonds are mentioned in works like The Book of 1001 Nights. In Germany, there's a traditional almond cake known as Mandelschnittke. It's a sweet treat made with almond paste and is often enjoyed during special occasions and holidays. Believe it or not, almonds have even gone to space. NASA includes almonds as part of the astronaut's diet due to their compact, nutrient-dense nature. Now let's talk about heart health. Almonds have been associated with numerous cardiovascular benefits. The monounsaturated fats in almonds can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. The presence of antioxidants such as flavonoids and vitamin E contributes to a healthier heart by reducing inflammation and improving blood vessel function. So, if you care about your heart, consider making almonds a regular part of your diet. For those concerned about blood sugar levels, almonds can be a game changer. Almonds are a diabetic-friendly snack because of their beneficial fats, protein, and fiber content, which all work together to moderate blood sugar levels. By consuming almonds as a snack in between meals, blood sugar levels can be stabilized and sustained for the duration of the day. It's an easy and delicious method to help maintain normal blood sugar levels. Did you know that almonds can also give your brain a boost? Almonds are a good source of nutrients like vitamin E and magnesium, which play a crucial role in maintaining cognitive function. Additionally, the presence of antioxidants in almonds helps protect your brain cells from oxidative stress. Including almonds in your diet may contribute to improved memory and overall brain health. There you have it, friends, the incredible benefits of eating almonds daily. From being a nutrient powerhouse to promoting heart health and aiding in weight management, almonds are a versatile and delicious addition to your diet. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. What's your favorite way to enjoy almonds? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.